Hi, Rana here from Technical SEO Team Parliament. Today we will learn how to use the sender ID in Gmail. By using a one Gmail, how you can send the email as another user also. So for this purpose, open the Gmail and go to settings. See all settings. Okay, and go to accounts and import. Here you can see we can also add some another accounts. And here send email as. Now we are using the Gmail. You can add more email addresses here. Just add the email address and verify. Then you can send the email as another user from the same Gmail by using one Gmail. So it's a simple process. Tap the like button, subscribe the channel if you want more videos like this.